All right, so today we're gonna do a quick repair of a hole in my sea can, shipping container, Connex, whatever you want to call it. There's a little pinhole leak. I put a bucket in there last time I was raining, so that's not good. So I'm gonna climb up here and, well, I'll take you inside and show you what it looks like inside first. So hold on. All right, so here's the roof of the sea can. You can close that now. I don't think this is gonna work. Like a little rust hole up there where I got some decent amount of water coming through. All right, you can't see it. All right, it's really hot in here, let me out. All right, that's the only one I know of, so I'm gonna climb up there and fix it.
1-1 when you fall off.
Well, it's not that high. It's actually a nice view up here.
I'm sure it's gorgeous.
Yeah. No, but I was supposed to count. You know what, you may have to go in.
Are you gonna record?
Yeah, you may have to go inside there and look up at the light, and I'll hold my finger over it to make sure it's the right spot. So go inside and take a look. All right, well, as best I could tell, this is the hole. You ready? I just heard a tree fall in the woods over there. Can you see light? What?
I see no light.
How about now?
Yes.
All right, that's the hole then. All right, open the door so she doesn't die of suffocation in there. Let's. Now we've all seen the commercials on TV. I'm gonna try some Flex Seal. Oh, this is clear. Flex Seal clear. I also have some tape. So I'm tempted to put some tape on and spray that over the top of it. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm gonna put some tape on it first, and then I'm going to spray it, I think. I'm not gonna use that, I don't think. Well, apparently scissors would have been better than a knife. Who knew? No. That's right. Are you
recording?
Yeah. Oh, there's an adhesive I see. All right, I see what's going on here. There's an adhesive point. So we're just gonna put a nice flat piece right in there over that. Like so. Yeah, I might double it up, maybe. Go make sure that's sealed it up, Ann. Said she needs the door closed again.
Okay.
A pair of scissors would have been better than this thing, for sure. All right, that's good.
That's good. Door open.
So I think I'm going to spray some of this. That was Flex Seal tape. Flex Seal tape. I think just for giggles, we're going to spray some of this clear sealant over it as well. How long that takes to dry. Alright, there's another nasty looking spot here. We're gonna just spray. Oh gosh, very crunchy up here. Boy, it's hot up here, I'll tell you that. Well, I don't know how long that takes to dry, but there's a good pool of it on there. So hopefully that does it.
You want me to dump the water?
Yeah, just make a note of where the bucket is though. All right, this is a view from on top of the shipping container, which is kind of nice up here. All right, we're gonna call this repair done, and we'll have to monitor it. And if any other holes pop up, we'll put some more Flex Seal on them. So there you go. All right, I'm gonna see if I can climb down this ladder and not die.